Welcome to Photodon. Today we'd like to show you our products and how we customize our products to our customers' needs. Let's check out our process. We start with large rolls of film. We cut and inspect the material, and then we cut each piece to its final size with a precision laser cutter. The versatile laser cutting process allows us to create prototypes from a wide selection of materials and fulfill unique orders rapidly, usually within 1 to 2 business days. We are located in the United States, however we do ship internationally. And we take our time carefully packaging your product so that you receive your order in good condition. Whether your device is less than 1 inch or 100 inches, we've got you covered with our large rolls of screen protector material and large laser. In addition to screen protectors, we also manufacture privacy filters. Mini louvers embedded in the material allow for straight-on viewing where side viewing is blocked. Should you need help installing your screen protector or privacy filter onto your device, allow our skilled technicians to do that for you using our clean room. We also manufacture monitor hoods. These hoods help to reduce glare from overhead lighting. They also provide some privacy from the side. Our lasers have the ability to cut acrylic material and create products such as these laptop stands. This was a custom project that we did. We created these mazes that are now used in universities for testing and research. Just like our screen protector material, we are able to add a logo or any identifying information right on your product. Contact us today to see how we can help you with your unique project.